Hello space lovers. Here are some unknown facts about Jupiter. Number 1. Size. Jupiter is so enormous that it is more massive than all the other planets in our solar system combined. You could fit approximately 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter. Its diameter is about 11 times larger than Earth's diameter. Number 2. Unique magnetic field. Jupiter possesses an incredibly strong magnetic field, which is around 20,000 times more powerful than Earth's magnetic field. The interaction between Jupiter's magnetosphere and the solar wind generates intense radiation, making the environment around Jupiter quite challenging for spacecraft to navigate. For such more content, consider like, follow, subscribe button. Thanks for watching.